We're starting to kick the dreary weather out of the Miami Valley, but this morning a little bit slick for those north of I-70. Robert Sanders sent in this video out on the roads this morning in Greenville, where the main streets for the most part okay, side streets and even driveways and the windshield. That's where the ice developed. Most of this, again, north of I-70. Greenville, certainly with that glaze of ice this morning. Thankfully, that has since melted. If you have any pictures from this morning that you'd like to share, I'd like to see it on our Fox 45 app. Click Explore, then see it and send it on the bottom of your screen. But you can get in touch with me on Facebook, Mike Joyce, Twitter and Instagram at MikeFox45 now. And of course, I'll be responding on our Fox 45 Dayton Facebook page as well. So now we're getting cold. Temperatures are falling into the 20s, but then we warm right back up again to start the week, and we do have another shot at snow and rain all coming up for our Valentine's Day week. We'll look at that in a second, but our Kettering Health Network Skycam out in Beaver Creek shows a very quiet I-675. We're at 33 degrees at Wright-Patterson Air Force Base. Still cloudy on our sunset tonight at 6:08, so that was 9 minutes ago. We're still seeing some of the twilight. 10 hours and 33 minutes, and we gain more and more daylight each day. We're only 17 days away from the beginning of March, which is meteorological spring. But it's spring down in West Virginia. Charleston at 61. We're 30 degrees cooler at 31. Chicago at 21. So a 40-degree difference across this cold front. Those temperatures are what we're expecting tomorrow. The precipitation out near St. Louis, I'm not too worried about. I don't think that's going to make it here as drier air moves in. But temperatures do drop as the clouds move out. 27 by midnight, down to 23 at 4 o'clock in the morning. And we bottom out around 20 to 19 degrees for our northern communities between 6 and 8 o'clock in the morning. And then back up to the 30s for lunchtime with all of the sunshine throughout Monday. Here's the hour by hour forecast through the rest of the day. 36 at 2 o'clock. So the core of the afternoon tomorrow looking great. We're going to see sunshine all day long. So don't forget your sunglasses for the morning or evening commute. Back down to freezing at 6 o'clock after sunset. And then we roll back into the 20s. The average temperature tomorrow 38. So we're pretty much right on target. Another really cool celestial event tomorrow. The International Space Station, a wonderful pass starting at 6:46 tomorrow evening. So we don't even have to stay up late or get up early for this one, right around dinner time. Look northwest to southeast in the sky, so you'll follow it southeast. Elevation angle 84 degrees. So if you think of straight up as 90 degrees, it's pretty high in the sky. The temperature will be 35 and mostly clear. Again, 6:46 Monday night. Tuesday even better, 45. Then Wednesday, Valentine's Day and Ash Wednesday. We're still in the 50s as clouds take over in the evening. We could see a sprinkle or two if you're going out on a date on Wednesday night. Keep the umbrella handy, but I think most of the rain comes with our next weather maker on Thursday. So let's track this throughout our Thursday. Most of the rain and precip falling later on Thursday, but we could see this transition to some wet snowflakes for Friday morning. The good news is with temperatures still above that freezing mark well into Friday morning, I don't think we're going to see any major commute impacts, but we could see some grassy surfaces with some snow. Then next weekend, the U.S. Air Force Museum Family Day, a beautiful day with temperatures in the mid-30s, back to the 40s on Sunday.